I thought we'd mix it up a little bit, taking a look at Neo. All right, we're taking a look at this for a member. Asked me to take a look at it, so we're gonna get a Neo video out, and we're gonna get a Neo price prediction out for this bull run. All right, last bull run it went up to about 140 bucks. The one before that about 197, I believe it was. Let's see here. About $200. Okay, so we're gonna see where this thing could possibly be heading this next bull run. This bottom pretty much the same as the prior, dipped a little bit lower down here. Let's mark this bottom off here. I like marking bottoms off. There we go. All right, now you can obviously see a bounce off the bottom here. Looks like a wave 1 2 with possibly in a third wave right here working with Neo, and this is all going to be just the first wave 1 2. Let me show you. If you're not familiar with Elliott waves, then consider I have a membership for $14.99, over 200 members now. Thank you guys. I love you. Over 200 members for $14.99. You get 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to do all this charting, how to look for your price targets for your tokens, everything, how to use the Fibonacci, how to set up trading view, how to leverage trade, everything. 22 videos over 9 hours, and you get a link to our Discord where we're over there. There's people over there constantly trading. All right, so if you're interested in that, please consider signing up. It's worth your 15 bucks. This is a bull run. Don't skimp on money, that's for sure. And I'm being 100% honest. If I would have found something like this for 15 bucks the last bull run, I would have been all over that. Just for instance, my Gala Games, I had 250,000 Gala Games. All right, it went to 84 cents. I didn't sell the top. If I would have known how to look for targets and price targets, I would have made a lot more money on it. Could have made $200,000 on Gala. So it's very important, guys. Don't go blind through this. If you don't buy it from me, go buy it from somebody else. Please learn how to chart. Just get an idea how to look for price targets, how to use a Fibonacci and stuff like that. For 15 bucks you get all that from me and the Discord membership. So think about it. Over 200 people have signed up, and got a lot of people that stay here every month. This looks like a 5-wave Elliott wave working out here. You would have 1 2, this would be your third wave, 4 5. Okay, this is just for instance. I have no idea where this price is going to go, but this would all just be a big wave 1 2, all right, of a bigger 5-wave system working out. All right, Elliott waves, that's how the market rolls in waves. All right, 1 2 3 4 5. You can see 5 waves here. Looks like it started back here. 1 2 3 4 5 waves up. Then you got 5 waves down in here. It works in waves. It's crazy. I'm telling you, but they work, the Elliott waves. Now, if we put a trend-based Fibonacci on here, love this tool, and look for a price projection for this first move. All right, so it's up around 48 bucks, okay, for this first 5 waves up. All right, it'll be 1 2 3 4 and 5, and this trend-based fib is awesome. It's unbelievable. It works fantastic. Let's take a look here and see how it did over here. I did not do this before the video. I have no idea how it's going to look here. All right, 72 bucks. 1 2. Whoop, let's get this on the correct. I apologize. Let's get this on the right wave count here. Let's go into weekly. You can see it a little bit better. Here we go. 1 2 3 4 5 right there. Your wave 1 starts right 1, top of 1, pull back right down here. There you go. Right, went up to about 106. This is all wave, and you'll figure these Elliott waves out. 1 2 3 4 5. Your wave 1 started down here at the top of wave 1, the retracement. Gave a target of about 105. It went to 141. All right, overextended a little bit, but these things are pretty accurate normally. I'm telling you, you'd be very, very shocked how good that they can nail prices. It's unbelievable. I use them constantly, especially when I'm trading, like on a 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart, when you can see wave patterns very, very well. You know, it's great to use. It's absolutely fantastic to use because you can nail some nice trades going through here, even on a 5-minute. I love trading a 5-minute chart. You know, you get a lot more wave patterns. This big dip here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down here on Neo. Anyway, let's get back to this video. We're looking for what is going on now, okay? Let's go on. This is given a target right up around $40. Does anything else match up with that? A regular Fibonacci on here, 46 bucks. Okay, so $40 to $46 looks like about this first wave. Let's put this trend-based fib on here one more time. Right to there. Oh no, they're both exact. They're both the same. 47.58 and 46.26. All right, these are both lining up, so that's going to be your first target area, right up around 47, 48 bucks for this first move up. Looks like we're probably in this wave 3 right now, and watch and see if this doesn't work out, guys. Remember this. Remember this video, okay? And then consider signing up for a membership. All right. Right here, right up around $48. We're gonna mark this off right up here, and then you know, and then you'll see how well this stuff works, okay? And then consider signing up or whatever, because it's well worth your money, guys, for 15 bucks, believe me. All right, we had Neo push up here. We are up right now from the bottom on this thing, right to where we're at right now, but almost a little over 2x from the bottom, okay? I should have got in Neo down here. I should have really piled in this thing, because I truly believe it's going to have a really nice bull run here. All right, now if we can go in here on these RSIs, the daily RSI is, let's take a look here. It's actually trying to flip back up here, okay? You can see that it's trying, this Bitcoin pull down here kind of messed everything up a little bit here. Now it's just back testing this area here, and it should bounce right off here. All right, you got your 12-hour coming down. All right, that's going to change. All these RSIs are pulling down because of Bitcoin right now. All right, over on Bitcoin, I want to show you this because that's why these are all pulling down. And I think this is a fake out. I think it was a liquidation hunt. This thing did an ABC right in here on a 4-hour. I just did a Caspa video. If this thing can regain that 70,000, okay, where's it at? 66,880 or 67,000. If it can regain that, this was all just a fake out, a liquidation hunt. Okay, this was an ABC right in here. We measured it out right here, A, B, C. Okay, that should be. You know, I'm hoping that's a bottom for Bitcoin. It looks like it. That ABC, the liquidations are up over 400%. We went over here, look at this, Bitcoin liquidations, 499%, almost a 5x on liquidations, $870 million. All right, so that's what's going on here. I believe it's a liquidation hunt, and just taking, you know, everybody went long up here. The circle, when they seen Bitcoin breaking out, you had a bunch of longs come in, took out all the longs. All right, came down here. You probably had a bunch of people go short as soon as it broke this support. Now it's probably going to suck back up in. Don't be shocked. All right, it's probably going to suck back up in here maybe and shoot out the top. We'll see what happens, but it would be typical Typical stuff here. Okay, it could get rejected here and keep rolling over. It could do 5 waves down. If it does, it's heading to about 55,000 bucks. Okay, let's head back over here to Neo. All right, so right now all these RSIs on everything are pulling down right now. All right, because of Bitcoin, the 4-hour, all of this stuff is pulling down. All right, but expect Neo. This, like I said, up to about $40 is this first target area for Neo. I truly, think Bitcoin, that could have been a fake out. All right, now this thing, once it breaks out of 2378. Look at that, 1618 was perfect. 2339, and it almost absolutely nailed it. That was probably a more than likely a wave 5 in here. Let me look. Let's go on an 8-hour chart here. Looks like a 5th wave. Your 5th waves you can measure out 4 and 5. Let me see, where would the 1, 2 be at here? Yeah, you're probably going to have a corrective mode in here, maybe an ABC correction, and then then it should continue up. Okay, but that looks like a 5th wave. That's how you measure your 5th wave. You take your top of wave 4, pull it to the bottom, or top of wave 3, pull it down to the bottom of wave 4, and that gives you your 5th wave target right there. Okay, looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'd be probably expecting an ABC, and then the next push up towards that $40 range. All right, and that should that'll finish wave 1 here. But that's exactly what this looks like. And then you see you have waves inside of waves. It gets very complex, guys. Believe me, you have no idea. Like this set here, just real quick, so you have an idea what I'm talking about. 3, 4, 5. Okay, you got 5 waves up. And then inside these waves, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves there. You have 5 waves in your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then you'll have 5 waves in your 5th wave. And then in your waves 2 and 4, you have an A, B, C pattern. Then you have an ABC here. So that's how it can get complex. All right, I go through all this stuff in my videos over there. That's why I said this could be that could be a wave 5 right there. And then you have an ABC, and then we'll have a 5th wave up here for up to that 40, 48, 47. All right, it can get very confusing with Elliott waves. I love them. They work at 100%. Let's take a look at a price prediction for Neo. And it's not a prediction. It's using the Fibonacci. All right, it works. It's nailed Bitcoin. Boy, this looks like a head and shoulders. This whole thing on here. Look at that. If this was a chart and this was way up, this is a bottom, but that looks just like a head and shoulders. Unbelievable. I mean, exact. Look at this. You got shoulder, head, shoulder. Right there, playing out perfect. I mean, you got a head and shoulders pattern right on the bottom here. That's crazy. If it was inverse, that would be pretty bullish, but it's on a bottom. It's not. This isn't breaking down. It's heading up. All right, now a price target for this bull run up around $574. Believe it or not, okay. I know this thing is at what? 1970, $20 now. That is the target for the bull run, 574. I got to get some Neo. I really do. And this works. I'll show you. Let's go over here. Let me show you real quick. Let me show you Bitcoin. All right, let's go on a monthly. Let me show you how well this thing works. And I could show you numerous. Cardano worked very well on Cardano. From 2017, if you were looking for a target for the 2021 bull run, all right, if you took the fib, put it on here. Gave a target of 73, it hit 69. Okay, what I find interesting is that it hit 73 way over here now. Isn't that something? And we're running into resistance at that 4.236. It's 73. This should be on if that's the exact bottom here. Okay, that should be 73. It hit 69. All right, now if you go over like Cardano, let me show you Cardano real quick. I just want to show you how good this works. ADA. All right, we're on a monthly here. All right, Cardano. If we would have took a measurement of this, all right, look at that. Oh, it didn't work. $5.53. Well, it only went to $3.12. Well, let me show you something. You don't use the wick, okay? You don't use that wick. Pull that down. $3.16. It about nailed it exactly. All right, you can see how well this fib works. All right, now the bull run target for Cardano for this bull run is up over, I think it's 12 something. Yeah, 1235. All right, so the Fibonacci absolutely works. Okay, Neo $500. Believe it or not, that's the target for the with the Fibonacci. Now, granted, you know, they don't always 100% play out and work out like that, but that's the target the Fib is giving it. You know, maybe it goes to 488, 3618. We'll see. We'll see what happens here, but you know, that's the target it's given. So we'll see what happens, guys. Thank you so very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member, guys. We'd love to have you on the channel. Over 200 members. Come learn how to chart these charts with us, please. You know, spend the 15 bucks. It's well worth it. You get your money's worth, all right? I'm not a con artist. I'm a small YouTuber. I need my, you know, I need my members. I love my members. I got a great crew in here. So have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon.